Hi and welcome to another video on the channel, and if you are new, hit the subscribe button because you do not want to not be here. Today I'm going to be talking about bubble braids. Now, since the time that I announced that I was going to do this hairstyle on Instagram, I got a few questions from people who were wondering how I was going to maintain it, and basically people were just requesting for a maintenance video. So this is what this video is going to be about. Basically, I'm going to go through the pros and cons of getting bubble braids done according to my experience, and I'm also going to share how I was able to maintain them till this time. I've carried this style now for about 2 weeks and it is only just beginning to get annoying, but I feel like if I didn't have like all this other content that I want to create, I would have definitely carried it for another like 2 weeks, because honestly I don't mind packing my head to the back and just living my life. For most of the 2 weeks that I've carried this hair, it's been in a bonnet. I'm not even gonna lie, I only ever bring my hair out when maybe I want to go for an evening walk, which is very rare, or when I want to go to church. So yeah. But before I ramble on and on and on, let me just get straight to the pros and the cons. All right, so for pros, the very first and most important pro for me was that it was very easy to do. I have the tutorial on my channel. I'm going to link it in the description. You should definitely go and check that out after this video if you decide to still get it. But it was really easy to do. All it takes is some marley hair and some rubber bands, and you can decide to accessorize how you see fit. Basically any beginner can do it, to be honest. And if you're not very good with parting your hair, the tutorial that I made also has the parting aspect of things, or you can meet someone to help you part your hair and can go on ahead with the rest of the process by yourself. It's really easy to do, doesn't really take a lot of time. If you are looking for like a really simple hairstyle, then bubble braids is your thing. The next pro is that I love the way it looks. It looks really cute and actually kind of natural. There are a few people that have seen me in the past 2 weeks and asked me if this was my real hair, and I'm like, I wish. Where I put the rubber bands at the roots of my hair, it looks as if I just actually started rubber banding my hair from the roots, you know. And the marley hair that I used, I think I used the darling kinky bulk, also really resembles natural hair. So a lot of people were definitely confused when they saw my hair and they were like, is this your hair? Is this your real hair? I was tempted to say, "Ugh, yeah, it's my real hair," but you know, I can't lie because I'm a child of God. It's actually a really cute hairstyle. Everyone told me so. My man's told me so. It also gives off this locks vibe. You know how with locks, the older they get, the more natural they look, the more, you know, the more calm they look on your head, and they have this aura and this aesthetic to them. Yeah, you definitely get that with these are very similar to locks, because in a way your hair is within the extension, which is technically how locks work, especially if it's like faux locks or butterfly locks. So yeah, it's really pretty, really cute. It gets cuter as it gets older. I love the style, to be honest, and I feel like I might actually be inclined to do it again. The third pro is that it is very easy to style. It's just like knotless braids, you know. You can put it up in any style that you like. You can put like a scarf, you can do different things with it. It's just like braids. It's super easy to style, and it is also lightweight. That lightweight one is super like it's important, because I'm still recovering from a recent trauma that I had when I did knee length knotless braids, and oof, that was heavy. But this was light. This is easy. I cannot even compare it with the knotless braids that I had. Nah, no, this one is way easier, lighter, more flexible. It's just, I just love it. Then, although obviously I haven't taken it down, but I feel like the takedown process is going to be really easy, because unlike knotless braids where you have to like loosen the braid, you know, all I got to do is cut rubber bands, remove beads, and well, cut more rubber bands. I'm going to do a takedown video, or perhaps I've already done it. If I've done it, I'm going to link it in the description. And if I have not done it and it's not linked in the description, then you should subscribe to my channel and turn on post notifications so you don't miss it, okay? Oh, you done? All right, let's continue. So those are the pros that I have. I'm looking at my notes because I can't store things in my brain anymore. I've been out of school for 2 years, so don't blame me. The easy to install, very cute and natural looking, looks even cuter as it gets older. It's very lightweight, easy to style, very flexible, and it's easy to take down. Now let's go to the cons. One of the cons that I found is that it can get kind of tangled. As you can see, there is a bit of threading in between the bubble braids. See, there's some hair that's just attaching to each other for some reason, and it's really annoying having to pluck them out. It can be annoying, when you want to like run your fingers through your hair and your fingers get hooked, so yeah, sometimes it can tangle in on itself, especially if you are always in a bonnet like me, because they now get to really touch each other and then threads can exchange places and then these kind of tangles happen. So yeah, that occurs. I think you should know that. It can also get caught in things. Thankfully, I did the short ones. If I had done longer ones, there's nothing they wouldn't have gotten caught up in a nail cutter, in key holders, in door handles, in gas cooker. Man, I really went through a lot with my super long knotless braids, and if knotless braids that are individual like that can cause so much trouble, how much more this? Like, no. If you're going to do bubble braids, I mean, if you have the energy, you can go ahead and get the long ones. But if you are someone like me and you're lazy, you're just looking for a very simple, easy to do hairstyle that's just going to last you 2, 3, maybe 4 weeks, that is just, minimally invasive and not so stressful, then I would advise that you get them in the shorter length, because I can't imagine having this hair longer. No, it's going to get caught in everything because the hair is basically, it's just loose. It's like you just have kinky hair just out, so things can get looped in the loose strands, and it just wouldn't be very comfortable in my opinion. Be careful about the decisions you make when you're deciding whether or not to do these bubble braids. Okay, that's basically the pros and cons that I have. Finally, let me talk about the maintenance that I did, which is basically non-existent, to be honest. So on the day that I installed the style, I made sure that I re-moisturized my hair. I had just washed and deep condition and moisturized my hair thoroughly the day before, but I made sure that I moisturized my hair again on the day that I was doing it, just so that my hair can have a little bit of moisture in it before I lock it away, because I know that in this kind of style it's not going to really be easy to re-moisturize my hair because my hair is inside. So most of the maintenance that I did after installing the style was on my scalp. I just kept spraying my scalp spray. I don't know where that is right now. Oh, it's way back there. If you know me, you know about this product and the love that I have for it, the Mega Growth Anti-Dandruff Scalp Spray. So this was basically what I was using on my scalp throughout the 2 weeks that I had this hairstyle. I think I applied it like 3 times in the whole 2 weeks. For going to bed, I have my giant bonnet. This bonnet right here is just all I need when I want to go to sleep. I basically just pop it on and pack all the hair into it, and then boom, I'm ready to go to bed. And also when I want to shower, especially in the morning, I would just take a rubber band and hold the bonnet like this so that it's not resting on my neck and it's not falling to my face. And then I go and I take my shower. And then once I'm done and I've dried my body, I would loosen the rubber band and I would basically just live the whole day like this. I literally took off this bonnet 2 seconds before I started filming this video. So this is how I live my life. When I tell y'all that I'm a lazy natural, it's kind of hard to believe because I have like this whole YouTube channel dedicated to natural hair and I'm doing all these things in all my videos and it's looking like I'm doing a lot, but yeah, in real life, no. If you want to take a look at my natural hair care routine, like how I take care of my hair day to day for 7 days. I recently did a video on that. I call it my lazy natural hair care routine. I'm going to link it in the description as well. I'm actually a very lazy natural, and my maintenance can tell you that. So yeah, that's basically what I think about the whole bubble braid situation. I'm about to take it down because I got other things to do with my hair. Make sure you go ahead and watch those two videos that I talked about in this video, which are the tutorial for this style and also my lazy natural hair care routine. I'm very sure that you are going to learn quite a few things from these two videos. So I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye.